this easy. And I know we've been through some good and troubled times. There's never been a right time to say goodbye. But if I stay, she'll only see right through me. And then that look of shame inside my eyes, so I'd rather turn away, 'cause things you're gonna say will break her heart and make her cry. There's never been a right time to say goodbye. To say goodbye. I know lies would only hurt her, and I could never deceive her in that way. But either way, she'll end up crying, and I'd sooner walk away and let her love again. But anyway, our love's dying. There's never been a right time to say goodbye. To say goodbye. I'd rather turn away than see her hurt today. But either way, she'll end up crying. No denying, there's never been a right time to say goodbye.